Hey, hey, we're back at another video for the Yvette and Angry Birds. And today let's get into the comentarios. Wait, what? Is this all the guys this weird? No, it's not weird. Okay, let's look at it. What? Oh man, it's my video, my favorite. Is Universe Five Nights Freddy Kids. Okay, this is weird. Okay, next one. XD. What? XD? Yep, XD. Okay, this is definitely fun. Next. What? Okay. Next video. What? Okay, next video. Oh man, Smoushy es el mejor. No. What? No, no puedo ver nada. ¿Me dejas ver? No. Caso las tacas como del la ya la ma del personaje. Oh cielos. Ja 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 ja. Oh man, ha ha ha. Wait, there's more. XZ. Oh man, I love my videos. Okay, next one. Tiene canal si no tiene no al salpejo del co. Muy feo. ¿Qué? ¿Por qué puso muy feo? Esto no se veía grave. Okay, next video. Masha y el oso. Okay, next one. Tu y no Oh man. Okay, I guess it's the last. Okay, the next one. What N? Oh man, what N? Okay, Wizard of Slime is cool. Okay, here that said, goodbye. Thanks for watching my new video.